Hello children, I'm here with you with a new topic, adjectives. What is an adjective? Do you know? We have done in the previous class a word that tells more about a noun or a pronoun is known as adjective. वो word जो हमें noun या pronoun के बारे में बताता है, उसके बारे में ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन देता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट इज़ अ रेनी डे. नाउ हियर द वर्ड डे इज़ नाउन. तो हाउ इज़ द डे? रेनी. तो रेनी वर्ड हमें किसके बारे में बता रहा है? डे के बारे में. तो द वर्ड रेनी टेल्स मोर अबाउट द नाउन डे, सो इट इज़ एन एडजेक्टिव. The mango is juicy. The word juicy tells more about the noun mango. So it is an adjective. Juicy word हमें किसके बारे में बता रहा है? मैंगो के बारे में. मैंगो की एक के बारे में, उसकी क्वालिटी के बारे में बता रहा है. So it is an adjective. Now kinds of adjectives. There are 5 kinds of adjective in your book. Number 1, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective and interrogative adjective. First we'll read about adjective of quality. A word that describes the color, manner, shape, size and quality of a noun or pronoun is called adjective of quality. एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी कौन कौन सी चीज़ों को कवर करता है? किसी भी वस्तु, नाउन के कलर को, उसके मैनर को, शेप को, साइज़ को और क्वालिटी को. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हिंट है इसका, इन द सेंटेंस यू विल सर्च द आंसर ऑफ वॉट काइंड. अगर आप कंफ्यूज हो, आपको नहीं पता चल रहा, तो यू विल फ्रेम अ क्वेश्चन विद द वर्ड what kind of. For example, Delhi is a big city. Now I'm confused, I don't know which kind of adjective is. I know big is an adjective, that is size. So what kind of city is Delhi? It is big. It describes the size of the city, so it is an adjective of quality. He is a kind man. What kind of man he is? That is kind. Kind is the quality of the man, so it is an adjective of quality. उसका गुण है वो कि वो दयालु है, दूसरों पर दया करता है. The egg is oval in shape. What is the shape of the egg? Oval. So it is an adjective of quality. The rose is red. Red is the color of the rose, so it is an adjective of quality. Have you understood? The word that describe the color, manner, shape, size and quality of a noun or pronoun is called adjective of quality. Second, adjective of quantity. What do you mean by quantity? Quantity means मात्रा, किसी चीज़ की measurement. A word that tells the quantity or measure of a noun is called adjective of quantity. वो वर्ड जो हमें किसी नाउन की क्वांटिटी या मेज़र के बारे में बताते हैं, उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. इट गिव्स द आंसर ऑफ हाउ मच, कितना. वन मोर थिंग अबाउट दीज नाउन्स, these adjectives, they are always used with अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स. एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी हमेशा किसके साथ यूज़ होते हैं? अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स के साथ यूज़ होते हैं. कौन कौन से हैं एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी? फॉर एग्जांपल सम, लिटिल, इनफ, ऑल, नो एट्सेट्रा. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई नीड सम शुगर. I need some sugar. Now here sugar is an uncountable noun. Sugar is an uncountable noun. So here some is used with sugar. मुझे थोड़ी सी शुगर चाहिए. I'm telling the quantity, मात्रा बता रही हूँ, थोड़ी सी चाहिए. तो that is adjective of quantity. I cannot give the count of sugar कि मुझे 4 दाने चाहिए sugar के. No, because we cannot count sugar. I'll say I need some sugar. थोड़ी सी sugar चाहिए. तो that is the measurement, quantity. So it is, and sugar is uncountable now. So this is the adjective of quantity. I have little money. Can we count money? No. Money is an uncountable noun. Here little, थोड़ी सी money चाहिए मुझे, थोड़ी सी. I'm not giving the number, counting. So it is the adjective of quantity. There is no water in the jug. Water is also uncountable noun. So I am using no with it. So it becomes adjective of quantity. Third number, adjective of numbers. A word that tells about the count of persons or things is called adjective of numbers. वो word जो हमें exact count देता है persons का और things का, that is called adjective of numbers. It gives the answer of how many. Much means matra, quantity. Many means number. Many stands for number. For example, एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर में कौन कौन से वर्ड्स आते हैं? कार्डिनल नंबर्स, जितने भी आपके कार्डिनल नंबर्स है 1 2 3 एंड सो ऑन. ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स 1st 2nd 3rd 10th सो ऑन. अदर वर्ड्स लाइक ऑल, फ्यू, सेवरल, नो, ईच, एवरी, दीज आर एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर्स. एंड सम, little, enough, all, these are also used as adjective of numbers. I'll tell you later on how we can use in both cases, in quantity also or in number also. Adjective of numbers always use with countable nouns. हम adjective of numbers को सिर्फ किसके साथ यूज़ करते हैं? countable nouns के साथ, जो nouns हम count कर सकते हैं. For example, few girls are in the class. Now girls are countable. Can we count them? Yes. So few is adjective of number. Several birds are on the tree. Birds are countable noun. So if we are using several with it, it becomes adjective of number. There are 30 students in my class. How many students? 30. Student is countable noun. 30 is adjective of number. I got first prize. First is the ordinal number. So it is also adjective of number. Now I'll tell you how these words some, little, enough, several can be used in both cases. जब हम दोनों तरह के sentences में यूज़ करते हैं तो हमें पता होना चाहिए कि यहाँ पे adjective of quantity कब है ये और adjective of number कब है. For example, some boys are in the class. Some boys are in the class and I need some water. If I'll give you both these sentences, can you tell me where it is used as adjective of number or where it is used as adjective of quantity? I have given you a hint when I was explaining you the adjectives. Yes, when we use adjective with the countable nouns, it become adjective of number, and when we use adjective with uncountable noun, then it becomes adjective of quantity. So here some boys are in the class. Boys are countable noun, so some word is adjective of numbers. I need some water. Water is uncountable noun, so here some is adjective of quantity. I spend all the money. Now here all, which kind of adjective is it? Adjective of quantity. Why? Because it is used with money and money is an uncountable noun. All the girls are in the class. Here all is used as adjective of number. Why? Because it is used with the word girls and girls are countable nouns. I hope you understand all type of adjectives. Thank you.